Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking Rover to get a much anticipated install accessory installed today. It is going to be the OEM Tesla light bar. So pretty excited about that. I think it's going to be a great addition. Also getting the T-Sport line wheel locks installed as well. So stick around and I'll give you my full review of it, the way it looks and how it turned out. One thing here, if you can see, I did take it to the tint shop and I had them cut 4.5 inches from the protectant window shield tint. That way the OEM light bar can attach to the glass and not the rubber protective film. So we will see how it turns out. Today is a pretty exciting day. Rover is headed to Tesla to get the OEM LED light bar installed. I've been looking forward to this upgrade for quite a while because it's one of those modifications that are both, you know, functional and, in my opinion, makes the truck look even better. One thing you'll notice about Rover is that I try to keep everything clean and purposeful. I'm not interested in adding accessories just for the sake of adding accessories. Every upgrade has a reason behind it. For me, this light bar isn't just about appearance. A big part of SciVentra is getting out and exploring places that are off the beaten path. Lakes, forests, canyons, remote campsites. Having more usable light when setting up camp or navigating a dark trail is a huge benefit. My goal with Rover has always been a build that I call an autonomous command vehicle. It's a vehicle that's ready for work during the week and adventure on the weekends. Every modification moves it a little closer to that vision. I'm also curious to see how much difference this light bar actually makes. We'll test it during the day, and if I can, we'll get some nighttime footage so you can see how it performs in the real world. One thing I really like about the OEM Tesla accessories is that they tend to look like they belong on the truck, right? I wanted something that integrates well, and not looking like an afterthought. And I think this light bar is going to do exactly that. So we're almost there now. Once it's installed, I'll give you a full walk around when I pick it up, show you what it looks like up close. And of course, we'll test it out to see if it's worth the investment. Let's go see how it turned out. Rover here on full self-driving, getting onto I-10 west towards the Tesla dealership in Cypress. The new FSD software is very good. Haven't had any issues with it yet. There's no turning back. Through the silence we belong. Every heartbeat writes the song. Past tomorrow into the blue. Every horizon starts with you. Asking me to pay attention. Of course I am.
Bloom like galaxies in rain.
See if we can get a smooth left-hand lane change here, which I'm sure we will. Rover always does a great job. This lane here to the right is ending.
Every answer leaves us wanting more. Maybe home was never one place. Maybe home is what we chase.
Look at that. Classic Houston driver just cuts you off. Rover did an exceptional job seeing that, braking way before that person jumped in our lane.
With the static between the stars. With the static between the stars. Mission control can't measure hope. No satellite can find this road. Neural dreams inside the machine. Teaching metal what wonder means. Every mountain waits its turn. Every failure helps.
Well, it looks like we're staying in this lane for now.
Batteries.
A nice pink Tesla right there. And some robo-taxis over here. There's a robo-taxi, nobody in it. And then cybercabs. Haven't seen one of these in person yet. Pretty cool. Oh, it actually has a steering wheel. Or a Squircle. Looks like the exact same as the Cybertruck. Florida plates. That's interesting. Some more robo-taxis. Couple more cyber cabs over there. Smooth sailing. Pretty cool new Model Y, new body style. All right, just arrived to the Tesla Service Center. This is the location that I purchased Rover. And hopefully they do a great job here installing the OEM light bar. I'm gonna go over here to the service bay, and that's where I'm gonna drive in. All right, leaving the Tesla dealership service center now. They installed the OEM light bar. Looks pretty good. I'll go ahead and test it out when I get home and do a more in-depth video. But yeah, overall, looks great. Pretty cool, but it did add the Tesla light bar there, if you can see it, to the Rover avatar. So that's a benefit there of getting the OEM light bar. It looks cleaner. It adds it to the avatar. If you go under lights, you can see now the Cybertruck floodlights, left and right ditch lights appear, and you can put on ditch lights, floodlights, or both. Go ahead and pop on the ditch lights.
Streetlights bloom like galaxies in rain. Every signal whispers my name. Engines breathing underneath the sky. Black steel wings learning how to fly. Houston sleeps beneath electric clouds, dreaming louder than the traffic sounds. Every rooftop hides another door. Every answer leaves us wanting more. Maybe home was never one place. Maybe home is what we chase. Where the static between the stars, finding light where the shadows are. Past the skyline, past the fear. Every mile brings tomorrow near. If the world keeps turning slow, we'll keep driving where maps don't go. Leave the night with an open heart. Where the static between the stars. Where the static between the stars. Mission control can't measure hope. No satellite can find this road. Neural dreams inside the machine. Teacher metal what wonder means. Every mountain waits its turn. Every failure helps us learn. Every sunrise writes our name. Nothing ever stays the same. When the batteries fade, when the signal disappears, when the city is only lights behind the mirror, we'll still be moving, because discovery was never a destination, it was always the reason.
Build the machine, light the path, keep moving forward.